welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy on how I generate about 5,000 US dollars passively in the stock market using a simple strategy called the covered call strategy. First, I'm going to explain what are covered calls. Number two, what do you need to be able to use the same covered call strategy? Number three, I'm going to show you one of my portfolios where I also use this covered call strategy. So today, I just sold about 5 contracts that generated me about 3,800. And 2 weeks before, I sold another contract that generated me about 1,750. So if you had that together, at least in a month, I'm generating over $5,000. But I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? So let's jump in. So first, how do I generate monthly income from the stocks that I already own? Using the covered call strategy. What exactly is this covered call strategy? This is literally where you get paid while you still own the underlying stock. Let me break it down. Number one, I need at least 100 shares. Number two, you're going to sell a call option on those shares. Once you sell the call option on those shares, that is going to generate a premium for you or cash for you. This cash is going to be deposited into your brokerage account instantly. The goal is that if the underlying stock reaches your strike price, then you have to sell or roll forward your stock. But if it does not, then you get to still keep your premium and your shares. But today, I'm going to show you a strategy whereby if I see that my strike price is going to be reached, or I just want to roll it forward to get more premium, I can do that and just collect more monthly premium. So I'm going to show you the simple strategy. Number one, you need to own at least 100 shares. Okay? You need to own at least 100 shares. Number two, you're going to sell a call option on it. And number three, you're going to collect a premium. The premium is going to be deposited into your brokerage account instantly. And number four, if the stock stays below your strike price, then you get to keep the premium and your shares. But if it rises above your strike price, you can either sell the stock or roll it forward. Typically for me, I tend to just roll it forward, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So again, you need at least 100 shares. The more 100 shares you have, meaning 100, 200, 300, 400, nothing like 150 or 120 or 127. No, you need to get this in batches of 100, okay? So how does this work? Let's say, for example, you own 100 shares of Apple, and this is trading at $180. Then you sell a covered call, and you get a premium of $300. If Apple stays below your strike price, which is $190, you get to keep your shares and also the premium that you collected. If Apple goes above the $190, you have the option to either sell for a profit and you still keep the premium, or you can just roll this forward. Personally, I prefer to just roll this forward because these are stocks that I want to own for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. The best case scenario would be for you to still keep the shares and also the premium. And the worst case scenario will be for you to just sell. That's all that you need to know, that, hey, this is one of the ways that you can generate income passively in the stock market. Why do I even love cover calls? Number one, I can generate extra income. Number two, the risk is lower because I get paid to still own this underlying stock. And this can work on majority of any stock and ETF. The most important thing is for you to own at least 100 shares. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a typical example of how I do this in my account. This is one of the accounts that I manage, and this is on Questrade. And you can see my positions here that I own at least 100 shares of Tesla. So this is the one that I'm going to be selling covered calls on. Okay, so here you can see that I have 101 shares of this. So I only need 100 shares of this. And here you can see that I already have an existing covered call for March 7, 2025 at 410. When I sold this, I was paid $227. Okay, $227. And for me personally, I have over 500 shares of Tesla. So I'm just showing you this as an example. So when I opened this, I was paid $227. The current price for this is 12 cents. So I can literally buy this back so that I can end this contract and open a brand new one. So when I open a brand new one, I'm going to be paid another premium. So if I were to just close this covered call today, what I would have earned would have been $215. If you have more than one contract, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, just multiply this premium by that. I opened this about less than 10 days ago. So I'm going to roll this forward. I'm going to roll this for March 14, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to click on buy, sell. So this is going to open this, and I just want to do a diagonal call. So this is for March 7 for 410 strike price. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to buy it back for, this is March 7, and the strike price I chose was 410. So I'm going to scroll here and choose 410 for this. Then I'm going to open a brand new one which is a sell. And when I sell, I'm going to get a premium. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to do for March 14, and I'm going to do a 320. So I already did this for another account that I have more than 100 shares of Tesla. So again, I'm going to be buying back the same contract that I sold before. And this is selling for about 12 cents. And I'm going to be selling a new one. The new one is selling for $5.30. So for each share, I'm going to be paid $5.30. Okay. So that means I'm going to be earning about $500 on this. So imagine if you have maybe 200 shares or 300 or 400 or 500. Again, this is a no-brainer. It just keeps paying you. And I'm just going to do this for 2 weeks. So what I'm going to be paying, I'm going to choose a strike price between 508 and 519. So because I want this to get filled immediately, I'm doing this for the video and the market is about to close. So the price is between 540 and 551. So I'm going to choose 545. I'm going to click on send order. And here's telling me that buy to close, which is what I'm doing. And I'm going to sell to open. And the premium that I'm going to be getting, you can see it here, $545. Okay. And I'm going to say send order. And the order has been filled already. I just earned an extra income of about $545 just doing nothing, literally doing nothing. And you can do this maybe every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month, depending on your own personal strategy. So selling covered calls is just a simple and a passive way to generate income in the stock market using the same stock you already own. Again, this is a no-brainer, and I use this to generate about $5,000. This is a very simple strategy, but if you have any question, let me know in the comment area below. And if you want a one-on-one coaching, go on my website, book a free 30-minute session. Or if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market be in your favor.